Hello and welcome back. You're still watching Zig Wheels with me, Rishabh Matharu. Now we're in that part of the show where we get our editor-in-chief Adil on board to answer all those queries that you've been sending in. Hi Adil, how are you doing? First question, of course, is from Rakesh Patel in Mumbai. Now he wants to know what the pricing of the Audi Q3 will be when compared to the BMW X1. He also wants to know how do these two cars stack up. Adil?
Rakesh, good question, and I knew this was coming because both cars seem to be in the same price points, even though the X1 is off to a flyer and is available both in petrol and diesel versions. But the Audi Quattro four-wheel drive is something which might appear on the new Q3. Keeping pricing right now in focus is not the ideal thing to do because the Q3 is only slotted for launch around about the second quarter of the next year. So I think given all the timing in place and all that, it's better to have the price points looked at sometime around then.
All right, Adil, thanks for that. Our next question is from Prateek Kabra in Ahmedabad. Now, he wants to know if the premium pricing of the new Ford Fiesta is justified when compared to the Honda City and the Volkswagen Vento. What do you think?
Pratik, this is a question best answered by Ford themselves because they may have thought about slotting their car at that price point. But I think it's a bit on the high side given the fact that this car, even though it's a very, very good handling machine, a totally driver-centric offering from Ford, as many Fords are, to try and take the battle across to the likes of the Honda City, which is a standard bearer for this class, and also the Volkswagen Vento, I think it's stretching the point too much. Nevertheless, I think the market will be the best judge, and they could give a pointer to many things to come for Ford as well as for many others who want to come in and step into this direction which Ford has delivered with the new Fiesta.
All right,